Hello everyone, and in the last videos we made a rotating cube, and then made it so we could change direction, then make it so we could change color and change direction. In this video, well, let's say you want it to look a little bit different, but still be one color, but look different. Here, I'll show you. Over in the material, next to the color thing here, we have a thing called albedo. If we click on that, we can change different textures, and right away you'll see, oh, look at that, it looks different. And that is exactly what we were wanting. Right here, see now, it's exactly the same, still looks the same, except it just has a different texture, and it still can change colors and everything. It just looks cooler. And another thing we can do is if we pull up a browser and just search for some sort of texture, and then we want to find a square image. We just search somewhere, let's see, texture, repeating texture. Let's just try something like that. Images, okay, I spelled that wrong, sure. And then over here, there's wood, that's interesting. We just grab some random texture anywhere. I like this one. We want to grab something that repeats over and over again. So you can kind of see that right there is the edge of that. That's a part of that. You can see it repeats over and over. It's called tiling. And then over here, we'll add another folder and call it assets. Okay. And then we'll do import new asset, and we'll find those things we just downloaded right here and here, and we'll import them in. Then over in the materials, we select this, we'll lock that with a little lock. That'll lock that there, so you can see we can select other stuff and it won't show that. It'll stay with that. Then we can drag that onto the albedo there, and look at that. Isn't that so cool? Just like that. We've got this really cool looking effect. We can change colors and it looks really cool. Anyways, now you guys know how to do that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.